In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can generate an icon for our website or for other similar purposes using Favicon, which is a website, so we can use it completely online. We don't need to download and install anything, and it's going to help us to create our icon file. So what is a icon or icon for the web? It's essentially this little icon that appears up on the addresses bar on a web browser. So if you're creating a website probably or something similar, you may want to create a really small icon. So if you don't know how to do that, and sometimes like WordPress or similar CMS, they do this automatically. But if you want to create like a set of icons that you want to use for different purposes, not just the purpose for the web browser, well, you can use these services like this, and one of these is favicon.io, which is the one we're gonna see. Now you can convert the language if you want. You can translate. I'm gonna keep it in English in here. So this is the standard. And you see that that this website has different generators, different tools that you can use. So you can convert a PNG into an icon, so an image into an icon, or you can generate manually your logo using text, background, and a few other parameters, or you can convert an emoji into an icon if you want. So these are the three possibilities at the moment. So let's start with the first one, and let's convert. Now you see there is a drag and drop box. You can either click in there, or you can just drag and drop one file from your folder into the area in there. So I'm gonna select one of these logos. If you don't know how to create PNG images or images without the background, etc., you can search for in the channel, like removing background or cut out the background or the foreground, etc., etc. So I'm just gonna click and drag this inside, and there you go. It's already recognized, and it's already in there. So I just need to click on download, and that's it. So I'm gonna use as the download folder the same one where I'm keeping these other logos here. So let me just navigate quickly into that. So there you go, and I'm gonna save it. It's gonna be a zipped file, an archive, so I need to unzip it or extract. So right click and select extract or unzip or something similar, and then there you go, it's extracted. And now I can see inside the folder we have many different types of logos we can use, many different types of icons in this case. So we have icon formats in many different formats that we can use. And another possibility is to go and generate our own logo from text. So perhaps I can type here a name or initials or something like that. So I'm gonna type JB, and that's already or good for the download. But let's change something more. Let's change the background of the icon or the text color, or you can change the shape of the background. So it's gonna change the shape of the icon. You can change the font. So let me try something better here. You see all these fonts, they're kind of too big, but some of these are smaller. So depending on that, you need to adjust a little bit the size. Now I'm looking for something specific. Let's see if it's in here. It's an open source, and it's called the Bebas Neue. This is the one that I'm using here. And if you have font variant, you can check in there or just adjust the size. And when it's good, again, let's make some final adjustments. And there we go. Now I have my logo ready, my icon ready. There are also some instructions here. If you want to use it in an HTML page, you need to put that, copy and paste it in the head, customize that. And if you're interested in HTML website creation, we have other video guides and courses in the channel. So just search for what you're looking for in the search bar of the channel. You will find it. And let's just download it. I'm just gonna download it. Again, it's gonna be a zipped folder. So I'm gonna save it in the same exact folder as before. Go back here, right click with the mouse, extract, and it's ready to be used. So there you go. It could be also useful if you want to do like some different sizes. quickly have a set of icons with different size. And I think that's going to be useful also for that. Last one is going to be to use an existing emoji. So just go there in the categories and select one. I'm just going to go for this, but it's just, an example. Click in there, you see the different sizes in preview, click on download, and that's it. That's probably the easiest one of the three. But you saw also the other ones are really simple, fast, and especially free. This is all free. So thanks for watching this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated. If you want to support us, please join the channel as a supporter. This will help us to create more video guides, more videos like this. So this will be all. Thanks for watching. Go check our other courses and guides, and see you in the next video.